So that is what's happening. These are hooked up in series. So it runs from this light, this one wire runs in, this next one runs over to the next light, and then again in and out again, so on, so on. So anywhere along the line, if there's corrosion or something on one of them, or it's, sometimes it's making contact, sometimes it's not, any of the other lights on down the line are going to be affected. And you saw how easy that pulled out, and look how corroded those old ones are. So I'm just going to have to pop off all my running lights and then tie in a bunch of new lights, see if they work, and then follow the ground back to where it's main connected at the front somewhere, or wherever it's connected. And again, all this stuff, see how they put all this crap around here and left these holes wide open? What I'm going to do when the new wires are through, I'll just plug these up either with Bondo or something, and then the lights can just, the new lights can go on flush, and then you don't have to put this crap around them. For my quick fix, what I'm going to do, I've got the power line coming. Now all I have for wire here right now with me is black and yellow, so I'll use that. So this black coming off here, I've got these three spliced together with a wire nut. That black will go out through the hole, connect to the power one on the running light. The whites here are the grounds. Now I didn't have any white wire, so I'm just going to use the yellow, so the yellow will go through there now, and I know it's ground. This is not the proper coloring. I just want to hook everything up, make sure it does work. Probably eventually I will be replacing all the wire with all the proper stuff, with all the right color coding. So right now this yellow is going to go through the hole, connect to the negative on the light, and the black will go through and connect to the positive. And I have to do this in series for all my running lights. I want to give myself a little extra to play with, so because the wires are so short coming out of the hole. So we'll go around and complete all that. Okay, in the back of the trailer I've got a stainless bolt going through here. Here's the ring, the grounding ring. So that bolt goes through on the back, and I will attach my ground wire to that. Here's the black power wire. It goes back through one of those bigger holes, and it'll attach to my power wire, so I'll have to do that on the outside on all these lights. So the inside will look like this now. There's the bolt coming through for the ground, and like I say, in this case I've used the yellow, which is tying into the white, which is ground. This technically should be white. And the power coming from the green, which technically should be brown, is now, so I've just extended to the black. So there's the black low power one coming in from the light. So this is what it'll all be like on the inside. Again, this is just a temporary fix. I may replace everything and do it properly later. So this is the driver's side rear of the trailer in that cupboard there, the one that folds down to a bunk. But the wires in behind here, it appears they were sliced part way through. So I think that may have been the problem. So let's go outside now. So I've got the lights on the trailer, and yeah, we've got power coming to this one, and as they go down in series, so they're all tied together in series. I don't have the light in there yet, but the grounds are all still tied in series, and they just have a pigtail coming off them. So there is a connection going all the way down. So this one we've got power, and oh, here's the one I had earlier. Now this is an orange one. I've got to change that to red. I was just using it as a tester. So for the rear of the trailer, as it stands right now, it looks like the problem was the wires on the inside, right about there. They were cut or whatever. Now it's very possible the main one that ties into everything runs straight down, and it's down here somewhere, and there's still going to be other connecting points there. I'll have to check all the way back. Okay, I've got the lights fixed. There they are on the rear end anyway. I haven't got the front done yet. So in this one here on this side, that's the original. Over there is the LED. I'm not sure if this is doing it justice, but they are a lot brighter.